Are you tired of spending a fortune on a gazillion skincare and health products? What if I told you there's a magical elixir that could solve many of your problems? And no, it's not a fairy tale. Today, we're diving deep into the world of castor oil, a versatile gem that's been around for centuries, but is still a well-kept secret. From skincare to hair care, and even some surprising health benefits, this oil is the Swiss Army knife of natural remedies. But before we go ahead, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Trust me, you don't want to miss out on all the goodness we have in store for you. Deep Facial Cleanser. Let's kick things off with one of the most common concerns we all have: skincare. Now, you might be wondering, how can castor oil help me with my skincare routine? The answer is simple. Castor oil is an excellent deep facial cleanser. Unlike many over-the-counter facial cleansers that are loaded with chemicals, castor oil is a natural alternative that's effective and gentle on your skin. One of the standout features of castor oil is its antibacterial properties. These properties make it an excellent choice for cleansing your face without stripping away the good bacteria that your skin needs. Yes, you heard it right. Your skin has good bacteria that help maintain its natural balance, and castor oil respects that. It cleanses your skin without causing dryness or irritation, making it suitable for all skin types, including sensitive skin. So, how do you use castor oil for facial cleansing? It's pretty straightforward. Take a small amount of castor oil and gently massage it into your face in circular motions. Let it sit for a couple of minutes and then rinse it off with warm water. You can also use a soft cloth to wipe it off. Doing this regularly can help you get rid of impurities, leaving your skin feeling fresh and rejuvenated. Wrinkle Reduction. Moving on to another concern that many of us have as we age: wrinkles. Castor oil is rich in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties, which make it a potent weapon against wrinkles. These properties help combat free radicals that are responsible for aging, thereby protecting your skin. But that's not all. Castor oil is also rich in resinoleic acid, a monounsaturated fatty acid that serves as a natural moisturizer. This fatty acid helps keep your skin hydrated, which is crucial in reducing the appearance of wrinkles over time. So, if you're looking for a natural alternative to those expensive anti-aging creams, castor oil could be your go-to solution. Stretch marks be gone. Let's talk about stretch marks. These marks are a type of scar that occurs when your skin stretches rapidly, causing the collagen to break. The healing process leaves behind these marks, which can be quite bothersome for many. But here's the good news. Castor oil can help you reduce the appearance of stretch marks. The science behind this is fascinating. Castor oil provides deep moisturization, which helps soften the scar tissue, making it less noticeable. For maximum effectiveness, it's best to apply castor oil when the stretch marks are relatively new, preferably less than 2 years old. To apply, simply massage the oil into the affected area in circular motions. Do this regularly and you'll start to see a noticeable difference over time. Hair growth promoter. When it comes to hair care, castor oil is a powerhouse. One of the primary reasons for its effectiveness is the presence of fatty acids, particularly ricinoleic acid. These fatty acids nourish the scalp and strengthen the roots, creating an environment that is conducive to hair growth. The fatty acids also help balance the pH level of your scalp, which can combat dandruff and other scalp conditions that inhibit hair growth. Research supports the effectiveness of castor oil for hair growth. Studies have shown that the oil's lubricating properties can reduce hair breakage, leading to thicker and healthier hair over time. It's also been found to be effective in treating conditions like alopecia, a disorder that causes hair loss. To reap the benefits, you can apply castor oil directly to your scalp. Use your fingertips to massage the oil into your scalp in circular motions. Leave it on for at least 30 minutes before washing it out. For best results, you can even leave it on overnight. Arthritis Relief. Arthritis is a condition characterized by inflammation in the joints, leading to pain and discomfort. Castor oil, with its anti-inflammatory properties, can be a natural remedy to alleviate these symptoms. The oil can penetrate deep into the skin, providing relief from joint pain when applied topically. But that's not all. Castor oil can also be consumed orally for arthritis relief. Some people find relief by adding a small amount of castor oil to their tea, along with a pinch of ginger. However, it's essential to consult your healthcare provider before taking castor oil orally, especially if you're on other medications. Acne treatment. Acne is a common skin condition that can be both painful and embarrassing. Castor oil can serve as a natural remedy for treating acne, thanks to its antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties. These properties can help fight off bacteria that cause acne and reduce inflammation, making it a dual-action treatment. For daily application, you can use a cotton ball to apply castor oil directly to the affected areas. Leave it on for a few minutes before rinsing it off. You can also mix castor oil with other oils like coconut or almond oil for added benefits. Regular application can lead to a noticeable reduction in acne over time. Immune system booster. One of the lesser-known but highly significant benefits of castor oil is its potential to boost the immune system. Research suggests that castor oil can increase the count of white blood cells in the body. White blood cells play a crucial role in your body's defense mechanism, fighting off infections and diseases. An increase in white blood cells means a more robust immune system, capable of warding off illnesses more effectively. Specifically, castor oil is believed to increase the production of lymphocytes. Lymphocytes are a type of white blood cell that produces antibodies to combat infections. When there is an increase in lymphocytes, your body becomes more adept at identifying and fighting off invading pathogens, thereby strengthening your immune response. Insomnia Relief. Sleep is essential for overall well-being, but insomnia can make it difficult to get the rest you need. While more research is needed to establish the efficacy of castor oil in treating insomnia, there is anecdotal evidence suggesting that it may help. People who have used castor oil for insomnia relief have reported experiencing relaxation and an easier time falling asleep. The suggested application method for best results is quite simple. Before going to bed, apply a small amount of castor oil to your forehead and temples. Gently massage the oil into the skin for a few minutes. The idea is that the oil gets absorbed through the skin, promoting relaxation and potentially aiding in sleep. Natural laxative. Constipation is an uncomfortable condition that many people experience at some point in their lives. One of the traditional remedies for this issue is castor oil, which acts as a natural laxative. This oil contains certain compounds that stimulate the muscles in your intestines, helping to move stool through your digestive system. This makes it easier to have a bowel movement, providing relief from constipation. However, it's crucial to exercise caution when using castor oil as a laxative. While it is generally considered safe in small doses, excessive consumption can lead to abdominal cramps, diarrhea, and other gastrointestinal issues. Therefore, it's essential to consult your healthcare provider for the appropriate dosage tailored to your needs. The general recommended dosage is usually around 1 to 2 tablespoons for adults, but this can vary depending on individual health conditions. Ringworm treatment. Ringworm is a common fungal infection that manifests as a circular, itchy rash on the skin. Despite its name, ringworm has nothing to do with worms. It's caused by a type of fungus. Castor oil can be an effective treatment for this condition due to its antifungal properties. The oil contains compounds that inhibit the growth of fungi, making it a suitable option for treating ringworm. For quick relief, you can apply castor oil directly to the affected area. Clean the area with water and mild soap before application. Then, use a cotton ball to apply the oil, covering the rash completely. It's advisable to do this at least twice a day for effective results. Consistent application can lead to a noticeable reduction in the size and itchiness of the rash, often within a week. And there you have it. From being a skincare superhero to a health-boosting champion, this oil is the unsung hero we all need in our lives. So why not give it a try and experience the magic yourself? If you learned something new today, don't forget to smash that like button and share this video with your friends and family. And if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you won't miss any of our future videos packed with life-changing tips and tricks. Until next time, stay fabulous.